Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are diving into something very, very, very special. So, first of all, I am so happy that you all are here. Some of you have been part of our circle for a long time, and some of you are joining in for the first time. Whether you have been with us since the beginning or this is your first session, I want to tell you, you are in the right place. It's amazing to think that for almost, 1.5 years now, we have been reading, reflecting, and growing together through books that stretch our mind and open our hearts. Well, this space has become more than just a reading club. It's it has become a daily pause for many people who are with us. A little, I would say, an island of calm in the middle of our busy lives. So before we go any further, I would love to start with the small warm-up. Tell me one thing. If you could describe what you are seeking right now, put it in the chat box. Huh? One thing you want more in your life, in a single word, what would it be? It maybe it could be, joy, peace, success, clarity, balance, energy, whatever comes to your mind, put it in the chat box. Good evening, good afternoon, Madhulika. Thank you for joining in. Oh, you are on mute.
Hi, Karishma. Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, Madhulika, do you get the question?
Happiness. I believe if the book is regarding happiness, so you must be asking about happiness.
Acha. I was asking if you could describe what
No.
you're seeking right now. What is the one thing that you want more of in your life? किसी को peace चाहिए होगी, किसी को joy चाहिए होगा, clarity चाहिए होगी, balance चाहिए होगा, success चाहिए होगा, energy चाहिए होगी. What is that one word that comes to your mind when you think about कि मेरे को एक चीज चाहिए?
Success.
All right, beautiful. Okay. So this is not about, कि बुक क्या बोलने वाली है, बुक क्या समझाने वाली है, सिखाने वाली है. It is more about कि you are connecting with your true self. And that is what truly matters. So I know that there will be people who will be watching this, recording as well, because this is going to go out. It is going to be public on YouTube as well. So for those who may be new, here is how I would like to share with you how our reading circle works. So this is a 1:15 p.m. hour, and we meet Monday to Friday at 1:15 p.m. for about an hour. We usually read either one chapter or sometimes a little less, but never a little more. The idea is not about, rushing through the book. It is to pause, it is to absorb, it is to talk about what we are learning and to take away that learning to implement in our lives. So we do not rush through any of the books. Every book we pick connects to the personal growth, how we think, how we feel, how we live. All right. So when we show up consistently every day, we build a muscle for reflection, and that's where real change happens. It's not about reading for perfection or reading for information. It is reading for transformation. So even if one book brings one shift in you, it is a success. And to be honest, I would say when we do that together, the energy multiplies because my perspective comes to you and your perspective comes to all the people in the room. All right. So That means we get accountability, we get perspectives, we get genuine connections, and that's the magic that keeps us coming back here in this room. So before I talk about, this book and why this book is happening right now, I would love to, invite Madhulika to share her experience of being in this circle, because she has been here for long now.
Of course. Thanks, Karishma, for giving me the opportunity to share my experience. This is one part of my day, 24 hours, that I never want to miss because this part of my day adds so much of value to me. Yes, it is about transformation, not about information, nothing but about transformation. And yes, when you read a book, you at times we align with the author, at times we don't align even with the author. But still, this room is so much, it's a judgment-free zone. So it gives us so much of liberty, so much of freedom that yes, we can share our thoughts, we can share our viewpoint, what is there. And at times, when other people also share their viewpoint, uh, we start agreeing with the author. Maybe at times,
Mm.
we had some different perspective in the beginning, but we shift our perspective. So it is such a comforting and judgment-free zone that it gives us the liberation to put our viewpoint and yes, then to agree to what we were disagreeing earlier.
Very
So
true. And this has happened multiple times. We had different perspectives in different reading sessions, and all of a sudden it was like, oh yes, that is also a thing, I also feel that way. So that is awesome. Awesome. Hello, Komal, thank you for joining in.
Hi,
And
Kanishma. How are you?
I am amazing, amazing. Thank you so much for joining at this time of the day.
I'm trying. Let's see how because my these are my office hours also.
I know.
So
I
I'll
know.
see if I can.
All right. And thank you, Madhulika, for your kind and humble words. And I do agree with you ki, when we come into the energy of like-minded people, there is a lot that shifts, right? So, Komal, don't switch off your camera because next I'm going to ask you what has been your experience, because this is a thing that is going to go public. So, I want to ask you what has been your experience of book reading club, because you have been a part of it since one book you have read with us. No, two books now you
Two
have read with
books,
us,
yes. Yeah,
right?
wonderful
Oh,
experience, Kanishma. So
mm,
uh like I have revived my reading habit. Which I was missing during college days. I used to read a lot, but now due to this club,
wow, wow, wow.
again, I have read two books in this year
Yes.
and looking forward for more.
Did you, by the way, see the collage that I made, that the number of books we
Yes,
have read?
yes, 2025 books.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Komal, for being a part of this club and adding value. Both of you, Madhulika and Komal, you both have added so much value to this book reading club, because alone I can't do much. But when we have people in the room who have their own perspectives, their own learnings from life, it makes it a massive learning space. And I am truly grateful to both of you for being there with me on this journey.
Thank
thank
you.
you, Karishma, for creating such a wonderful space for us where we can come forward, we can share our thoughts, and this space really helped me grow, not just as a reader, but yes, as an individual, as a person, as a mom, as a wife, as a thinker. It pushes me to reflect, to question, and to see books now in a different way.
Different.
I never would have done it on my own
I'm,
because by
this is
reading,
something that I was also missing in my life. I was reading books after books, but I was not sitting and reflecting. And only once a friend suggested me, Karishma, when you read a book, you need to stop, pause, and reflect on it. I was like, all right. Oh, and then I started, enjoying it. And then I was like, why me alone? Let me bring people together so that we do it together, because then our horizons expand multiple times. No, your perspective is coming, mine is coming, somebody else's is coming, and we all are growing together to that larger world. Thank you.
The
Thank you.
same paragraph, we can get it in 3 different versions or 5 different versions. So you have a buffet of
Yes.
meanings that you can pick up whatever you feel like.
क्योंकि एक सेंटेंस हो सकता है इन दैट वेरी पैराग्राफ वन सेंटेंस इज more relatable to one person, and that person would be expanding on that, and somebody else might be bringing in some other point ki acha this is also something that I picked up from this paragraph. So that is how you grow multiple times. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you for sharing that. Let me share with you now why 10 rules of happiness and why now. um we are heading towards the end of the year, we all, right? And that natural season of it is a natural season of reflection, when we look back at what's worked, what has not worked, and what we want next. And honestly, I believe that this is the perfect book right now. Why? Because most of us, we have been busy chasing goals, solving some problems, keeping up with everything around us. And sometimes I believe that we forget to simply feel happy. हमारी वो प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में नहीं रहता. And this book brings us back to that center. It reminds us that happiness is not a reward waiting for the end of to-do list. It is something we can practice every single day. And most of you would know 10 p.m. club में तो मैंने I have made it a mandatory thing कि you have to share your wins for the day. तो वो क्यों है? Because I want to make happiness part of every single day. About this book, all the rules. There are 10 rules. Each rule is very simple, practical, very relatable. It is not philosophy from the shelves, coming. It is a guidance of daily living, daily living. And by the time we finish these 10 rules, you will also have 10 practical, practices you can actually use in your life to reset your mood, maybe protect your peace, and carry more lightness into the new year. I want to show you this book. This is the book. Can you see? This is the book, and this is the book that I have not bought. This is a book that came to me from my father's bookshelf. As soon as I saw it in my dad's shelf, I picked it up. Just a moment. I picked it up from my dad's shelf and I was like, I want to read this book. This is such a chotu si book. Look at this. This is such a chotu si book. And my dad, I don't know since when he has it. इसकी खालत भी देखो ऐसी हुई रखी है. But I was like, it is a nice book. I read it. I read some part of it. I think I have read it till five rules. I have already read like some time in the past whenever I got this book from him. But yes, I know that this book, जो भी ये सारी practices इन्होंने बताई हैं, they are very, very, very gentle practices. And yes, I know they have the power to reset our mood, protect our, peace. Because peace of mind is one thing that we all seek, isn't it? So if I want to make this more interactive, I would like to ask you in the chat box, or maybe unmute yourself and tell me your own first rule of happiness. अगर आपको ये book लिखनी होती, by the way, what would you put as the first rule of happiness? Just one line, For example, अगर मैं लिखती तो I think I would have written कि happiness begins when I stop waiting for perfect conditions. Let's hear it from you. आप क्या बोलते हैं? What would be your rule for happiness? Madhulika?
According to me, Karishma, happiness is a choice.
हाँ, this is the first rule actually में.
Okay. I don't know.
And we are going to read it tomorrow. We are going to start reading it
Okay.
tomorrow.
I never knew that. I've never. Happiness is really a choice, and happiness is basically our state of mind, in which state of mind we are, and it is a choice what we choose out of it. So maybe some experience could not be that as pleasureful for us in the very beginning, but as we said, someone has said that whatever happens, it is for good.
Higher good,
So
yes.
yeah, so we can find out what are the learnings, or what we can gain out of this experience. Maybe not a good experience, maybe a bad experience it could be for that point of time, but yes, we can learn and we can grow out of that. And growth only happens from whenever you are, kicked hard at your butt. So
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. And वो आजकल ना न्यू वो हो गया है कि फेलियर इफ यू आर नॉट फेलिंग यू आर नॉट सक्सीडिंग
yeah, if you're not failing, that means you're not doing anything.
एनीथिंग इफ एब्सोल्युटली
If you're failing, at least you are doing something.
ट्रू चलो लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम कोमल कोमल व्हाट वुड बी योर फर्स्ट रूल टू हैप्पीनेस
Spending time on activities you enjoy doing.
ऑसम हम जॉय लिस्ट भी बनाते हैं इफ
I
यू नो
know my state of mind.
So it is said that if you want to have a happy life, अपनी joy list बना लो and make sure that you do at least one or two things from your joy list more often or maybe every day. हर रोज एक आध दो चीज कर लोगे तो you will have a happier version of you. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको चाय पीनी चाहिए बालकनी में सुबह सुबह उठ के बर्ड्स चॉप करते हुए सुन के आपको अच्छा लगता है इफ यू डू दैट you are filling your own cup of happiness and joy. And that is very important for us as women because हम लोगों को बहुत भागदौड़ और करनी पड़ती है isn't it? चलो हमको ऑलरेडी पता है कि there is so much of wisdom in this room, right? So about the author. This author is Mridula Agarwal, and she is a keen student of human psychology. She's a graduate of psychology and English literature, and she's also a trained teacher. So this one, she has also written, one more book that is 10 Secrets or 10 Rules of Success. And she has spent years studying science of well-being and the patterns of fulfilled people around the world. मुझको जो अच्छी बात लगी है about this book is that each rule, first of all, stands on its own. Even if you miss a session, you can pick it right back the next day. There is nothing interrelated. And the language is very simple. The insights are grounded. And every single chapter in this book ends with a small nudge towards action. आपके पास action steps साथ में दिए गए हैं. ठीक है. So this is about the book, and if you would like, I said still haven't managed to get the PDF of this book, but I would love to read the introduction part of it today so that we can hop into rule number 1 tomorrow. ठीक है? So do I get the permission to read from the book?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Please go ahead, Karishma. Yeah.
All right. So the
Who's
introduction
the
says
author, Karishma? Who's the author? Sorry, I missed it.
she is Mridula Agrawal.
Mridula Agarwal. Okay.
I saw the book is available on Amazon, but I have not been able to find the PDF right now. देखते हैं मेरे को मिल जानी चाहिए कल तक because I want to read this and I want to read it while sharing the PDF with each one of you. All right,
Okay,
let's read the introduction and let's see if we have something that we can get from there as well. Introduction. All of us want to be happy and are looking for ways to be so. We want to unfold the secret of happiness, which is our ultimate aim. No possession or achievement can have any meaning if we cannot make us happy. Very often we feel that success alone can bring us happiness. But this is rarely so. It is true that no unsuccessful person can feel happy if he has a sense of failure within. But success alone can also not make him happy if he has not achieved it according to the values and the desire he holds dear to his heart. Like success, happiness too has to be deserved and deserved, right? Happiness is often, happiness is also often confused with pleasure. We find people running after pleasure pursuits in the hope of attaining happiness, but the two are not the same. Pleasure can never take the place of happiness. Happiness is a feeling of peace. It is the gratification of the heart and soul. It is an internal realization and can only be realized from within. The most encouraging thing about happiness is that all of us can learn to be happy. The most important thing we have to remember about happiness is that it cannot be achieved by wrong means. We have to deserve it and deserve it right. No one else can make us happy either. We have to learn to be happy ourselves. The one thing sure about happiness is that all of us can be happy, and it is easy to be happy. This is the introduction of the book. And tomorrow we are running into rule number 1, that is happiness is always possible because it is a choice. ठीक है. So पढ़ के क्या लगा? I felt it is a refreshing reminder. Instead of chasing happiness outside, now we know the happiness lies within us. It is not about adding more. It is about unlearning what blocks our joy. In one of the sessions, I have also shared that we have raised the bar to be happy too high and lowered the bar of being sad very low. We have to do it the other way around. Raise the bar of sadness too high to get sad high, and lower the bar of getting happy very low. छोटी छोटी बातों में हम खुशी ढूंढेंगे तो हम ऑब्वियसली खुश ज्यादा रहेंगे. टेल मी इन द चैट बॉक्स या फिर अनम्यूट करके बताओ, हाउ हैप्पी आर यू टुडे एंड व्हाई आर यू हैप्पी?
Because I'm in peace.
हाय. बट अभी तो आप सैड ही लग रहे थे मुझे ऐसे रोते हुए.
No, I was just jotting it down. I was just jotting it down. This time I have thought that
You're going to make notes?
whenever Karishma is going to read, I'll jot down whatever I feel like maybe a word or maybe a two, and then I'll reflect on it.
Oh, wow. So
It's
what is
not
that
about
one word that you got noted today? What is?
peace. Happiness is
अरे वाह.
inside. So that's why I was just
Hmm.
jotting it down, and it's no one else can make you happy.
Yes.
It's your responsibility to make yourself happy,
Absolutely. And you
right?
know what? जब हम कहते हैं कि this is so, in the beginning of the session, how I asked you, what are you seeking? अगर सक्सेस भी सीख कर रहे हैं, क्यों सीख कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हम खुश होना चाहते हैं. That is going to give you some kind of
Yeah,
satisfaction.
see, the ultimate desire is happiness only.
Absolutely.
The ultimate desire is happiness only. क्या चाहिए? नौकरी चाहिए. नौकरी करके क्या करोगे? घर लेना है. घर लेके क्या करोगे? परिवार बसाना है. परिवार पे ultimately the circle is going to
मैं खुश हो
circle back
जाऊंगी.
to हाँ, yes, मैंने खुश हो जाना है ना?
खाना
आपने
तो इसीलिए हमने
Mercedes
ईयर एंड पे यही लिया है, हम खुश हो गए हैं.
exactly. So
जो मर्जी
and
पढ़ा लो.
and one more thing is happiness and pleasure are both different things. So this time
Sometimes
I
we
have
run
made it a
after pleasure.
I've made it a point that I will not reflect only on what Karishma is saying. I'll jot down whatever I feel like. जब करिश्मा पढ़ रही होगी तो क्योंकि बुक नहीं है ना फिजिकली, इसका एक फायदा भी होना चाहिए मेरे को. दैट इफ शी इज रीडिंग तो मैं अपना कुछ जॉट डाउन कर लूं और फिर देन
That's a very good way of doing it actually, क्योंकि there will be particular words that will catch your attention, and जब आप उसको लिख के उसके ऊपर reflect करोगे, you will have more questions. Why? More whys, and the more whys you have, the better clarity you get.
maybe
मतलब
more wise, or maybe this आप मैं जिससे पहले कनेक्ट कर रही होंगी वो भी चीज मुझे बहुत जल्दी अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगी.
हाँ.
वो भी मुझे बहुत जल्दी आई my neurons will get connected in the very first place, because I understand that happiness and pleasure are two different things. I cannot be happy by shopping. I don't get happiness. Seriously, I have tried it, करिश्मा. लोग बोलते हैं ना, दुखी है या मन उदास है या ये वो, तो जाके शॉपिंग कर रहा हूँ. मैंने कितने की शॉपिंग कर ली. इट डजंट गिव मी. मैंने वंस आई ट्राइड. हम लोग क्या खरीदते हैं? कपड़े. आई ट्राइड इट. आई डेंट गेट हैप्पी. मेरे को लगा शायद कपड़े वॉज नॉट द गुड चॉइस. आई ट्राइड कॉस्मेटिक्स. यूजलेस. यूजलेस. वंस आई ट्राइड. मैंने थोड़ा और बड़ा दिल किया. मैंने बोला चलो आज कैरेट लेन पे चलते हैं.
हाँ.
Seriously, it's all useless. It cannot give you happiness. Even उतना भी नहीं हुआ कि जैसे लॉलीपॉप लेके बच्चा मुंह में खुश हो जाता तो थोड़ी देर की ही खुशी आ जाए. बस गए
हाँ,
ऐसे ही, हाँ ठीक है चलो ले
हो
लेते हैं.
गया.
मतलब हो गया. हाँ. Maybe we are so blessed, we are so contented on that part. Maybe we are not seeking, but yes, happiness is not that over there. For me, it's not there. It's not lying there. So yeah. So these are the points which I have written, that no one else can make you happy. That means it's your responsibility to make yourself happy. Take the ownership of your happiness and do it. Right? Don't be a crybaby that he's not making me happy. My husband, my daughter, my son, my mother-in-law, my this and that. Fuck off. Happiness is happiness is different from pleasure.
Yes.
And don't chase it outside. Happiness is something which you can find and feel only from inside. And look for what is blocking your joy. That is also very important. That what is blocking your joy. Maybe after that you remove that block, you may seek your, ultimate happiness. And ultimately the author tried to say that happiness is peace.
मेरा जो ये था ना कि हमारे को अपने बार्स रेज एंड लो करने हैं, वो यहीं से
Right.
आया था कि व्हाट आर द ब्लॉक्स आर कि हम रेज ही स्टैंडर्ड इतना हाई कर देते हैं. इतना स्टैंडर्ड हाई है कि ऐसा हो जाएगा तो मैं खुश होंगी. अरे भाई,
कभी तो हैप्पीनेस की डेफिनेशन ही नहीं पता चलती. मतलब कि क्या वो होगा कि खुश हो जाओगे.
तो
बिकॉज
एक काम करो, आज जब हम ये रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड करेंगे, आई वांट यू टू राइट अंडर दिस रिकॉर्डिंग व्हाट इज हैप्पीनेस टू यू. ठीक है? whoever is putting a comment there, they're getting this book reading free. पूरा लिखो अच्छे से, खुल के, what is happiness to you. एटलीस्ट हम उसके ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट तो करेंगे, अदरवाइज दिस इज गोइंग टू जस्ट गो बाय. यू गेट दैट? तो लेट्स डू दैट दिस टाइम. मैं भी लिखूंगी, मैं भी फ्री में पढ़ लूंगी बिकॉज आई पे माई सेल्फ एज वेल वैसे. ऑलराइट, तो लेट्स डू दैट. एंड कल से सीरियस वाली रीडिंग स्टार्ट होगी. वी आर स्टार्टिंग टुमारो. वी बिगिन विद रूल नंबर 1, which is happiness is always possible. Happiness is best achieved by deserving, not by running after. I don't know. Deserving? Why deserving? I really have a question around there, because this has been said twice while I was reading it. Ki deserve it, right? Deserve it, deserve it. But I believe that as a child of God, we deserve everything. And we were born a happy human being. We had no complaints, we had nothing to cry about. And I believe that it is not about deservability. कि मैं डिजर्व करती हूँ happiness. I don't believe that. But let's see what does the author has to say. Maybe हमारा perspective shift हो जाए after reading. But for now, I say कि deserve तो नहीं. I own happiness, and it is my own internal battles that I have to win to be happy. I have to remove my own blocks. to be happy. Are you saying something, Madhulika? Mhm. All right, so we will meet here at 1:15 p.m. Read for an hour, you know, and we as I have already shared with you, we never end any session without reflections and takeaways. This is what we are going to do. You do not need to prepare anything in advance. Just be there. Have a notebook with you, just like Madhulika has suggested that she's going to take notes, and have an open heart. Have your full focus in the room, and that is only requirement to be here in this space, because then only you will be able to share what is in your heart and soul. How do you think about any of the concepts shared in the book? Over the next few weeks, you will notice subtle shifts. Maybe you will feel more calm, more awareness is going to come, more gratitude is going to come. And that is going to be the gift for showing up every single day. All right.
Right. Karishma, what do you think? Does everyone deserve sunlight?
Everyone gets sunlight. Deserve तो होता ही नहीं है.
Everyone deserves air to breathe?
They have it.
No. It's not everyone gets. There are some places where people don't get sunlight.
कुछ
Do
तो
you think
sunlight फिर भी
everyone?
होती है. Yes, of course, yes. Everyone deserves it.
Yes.
That is why I say everyone
Deserve joy also. Everyone
Yes.
deserves happiness.
अच्छा
It's
इसलिए
just,
deserve है क्या?
yeah, इसलिए deserve है because we deserve it. It's our birthright.
Yes, that is what. No, when it is my birthright,
Deserving, why deserve? See, it's not because you have checked some boxes or tick. We deserve it just because we exist.
हाँ, ये matter. This makes sense to me. We deserve it because I exist.
Yeah, because
But
I
अगर if
exist.
somebody
I'm a
says
human being.
so I have seen so many people saying respect ना ऐसे नहीं मिलती है. You have to be you need to do something. You need to
No.
earn it. You need to
Earn
deserve
it.
it. हाँ, I was confusing it with the earning it. I don't need to earn happiness. I deserve it. वाह, देखा
And
एक movement में shift.
I thought it means by what means you achieve it. That's
And no,
why
exactly.
deserve
That
is
is what
better.
struck
because
to me as well.
yeah, because for deserve also we have raised the bar so high.
Ah,
We exist. That is why I deserve it.
yes. वाह, थैंक यू मधुलिका फॉर कपाट खोलिंग. सच्ची में मेरे को तो ये मतलब मैं जेन्युइनली पूरी बुक पढ़ जाती है आज रात रात में कि यार ये मैं क्यों डिजर्व करूं. मेरे को डिजर्व नहीं करना. मैं तो ओन करती हूँ इस चीज को.
Yes.
यस, दैट इज माय स्टैंडर्ड को लो लेके आओ. मैं जीती हूँ, मैं जिंदा हूँ, इसलिए आई डिजर्व इट.
Exactly. And even see I think what author wants to say that happiness is not a reward that you earn by doing something, you run faster, or you jump somewhere, or you do something, or you raise the bar, or you tick some boxes. It is a state which comes from within, and that is what the author is saying. I think that yes, you deserve it. Everyone deserves it. It is just because we exist. It is more than enough.
I mean, it makes sense. Nice. Thank you. All right. Before we close today, I would love for you to imagine this next chapter of your life titled My Happiness Practice.
It sounds something very close to self-love.
I
No?
know. Huh?
Let's see.
If you could set one simple intention for this journey, what would it be?
I think बताओ
नहीं कुछ नहीं बोलो.
जब तक पढ़ेंगे, जब तक समझ आएगी, तब तक बहुत बहुत खुश रहने वाले हैं. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. And we'll spread happiness. And even otherwise, see, I always say and I always believe that yes, if I am present somewhere, if we are present somewhere, if you are going to a temple or maybe to a socializing, to a event, to a shadi or whatever, if you are present right now also
Mm.
as you are present here, this moment, this place should be a better place because you exist, right? Because you are present there. So how can you
Mm.
make it better? Isn't it something direct correlation with happiness that yes, it should be a better place, it should be a better world because you are there.
Yes.
So this will be the journey, and that is how I think the happiness is going to multiply 10x, 100x.
Yesterday, I was talking to my mom and I was telling her that, you know what, I want to be seen as a person who is full of love and I radiate love. And while, getting into this f- happiness circle now, I feel that it should be, that you are a person who radiates happiness and who, you know how they say ki ab jahan ja rahe ho, you are like a flower who leaves your essence there. तो जहां जिस रूम में भी wherever you are going, you leave people smiling,
Mhm.
you leave people happier. And I wish that we learn those rules, we start implementing them in our lives, and we be the source to give it around ourselves as well, to the people who are around us. So that is my intention of reading this book, कि मुझे पता हो कि कैसे खुश होना है, and I can help other people to be happier in their lives as well.
And even otherwise also, Karishma, not physically present, if you are
Hmm.
present in someone's thought,
हाँ बिल्कुल. कि
no?
कई होते हैं ना, वी थिंक ऑफ सम पीपल एंड वी ऑल अपने आप ही देयर इज अ स्माइल ऑन आवर फेस, और
Um,
अपने आप ही देयर इज दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी रेज इन आवर ओन सेल्व्स कि
hmm.
दैट पर्सन. Yeah. So I am intending to, at least whosoever is joining our journey together, whosoever is being going to be with us, उन सबकी लाइफ में तो ये हो ही, and they become a source of that magnetism and happiness and joy that aha, आपके बारे में कोई सोचे and you're like, उसको भी वो फील आ जाए कि हाँ मधुलिका. यस. कोमल. ओ यस. है ना. एक एक चार्म अलग सा, एक ग्लो आ
Charm.
जाए
Yeah.
फेस पे. So that is my intention. And I would say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful community, because you make this circle what it is. And cheers to this new phase of reading, reflection, and real happiness. So see you tomorrow at 1:15 at for rule number 1. Happiness is always possible. And let's see how bright we can shine through this book. All right. Take good care of yourself. Lots and lots and lots of love. एक फोटो खींच लेती हूँ. Thank you so much. Lots and lots of love. Mwah. God bless you. See you tomorrow at 1:15.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Krish.